Welcome back to Savvypreneurship, the channel dedicated to empowering entrepreneurs with actionable insights and strategies. In today's episode, I'm diving into a crucial topic for any aspiring business owner: proof of concept. I will present what it is, why it matters, and how to use it to attract investors. So, let's get started. Proof of concept, or POC for short, is evidence that demonstrates the feasibility of your product or service idea. It's a way to show that your concept is viable, practical, and has potential in the real world. Think of it as a mini pilot project that validates your idea before you invest significant time and resources into a full scale development. A proof of concept validates your idea, identifies potential challenges early, helps refine your product or service, and attracts investors by reducing perceived risk. The steps to create a proof of concept are as follows. 1. Define your idea clearly. Articulate what problem your product or service is solving, and identify your target market. 2. Set clear objectives. What do you want to prove? What metrics will indicate success? 3. Develop a prototype or minimal viable product, also known as an MVP. Create a basic version of your product or service. 4. Test with your target audience. Gather feedback from potential customers and analyze user behavior and responses. And 5. Document results. Collect data on usage, feedback, and performance, and identify areas for improvement. Here are some real world examples. Dropbox. Before building their full product, Dropbox created a simple video demonstrating how their file sharing service would work. This proof of concept video attracted thousands of interested users, validating their concept and attracting investors. Airbnb. The founders of Airbnb started by renting out air mattresses in their own apartment during a conference. This simple proof of concept helped them validate the demand for their service and refine their business model. When using proof of concept to attract investors, 1. Show traction. Demonstrate user interest or early adoption. Present data on user engagement or sales. 2. Highlight market potential. Use your proof of concept results to extrapolate larger market opportunities and show how your solution addresses a significant market need. 3. Demonstrate scalability. Explain how your concept can grow beyond the initial proof of concept and outline your plans for scaling the business. 4. Address risks and challenges. Be transparent about challenges identified during the proof of concept and present solutions or strategies to overcome these challenges. And 5, create a compelling narrative. Tell the story of your proof of concept journey and use visuals and data to make your presentation engaging. Here are several tips for a successful proof of concept presentation. 1. Keep it concise and focused. 2. Use clear, jargon-free language. 3. Emphasize the problem that you're solving. 4. Showcase customer testimonials and feedback. And 5. Be prepared to answer tough questions. A well-executed proof of concept can be the difference between an idea that fizzles out and one that attracts investors and becomes a successful business. By following the steps in this presentation and presenting your proof of concept effectively, you'll be well on your way to turning your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Remember, investors aren't just buying into your product or service, they're investing in you and your vision. A strong proof of concept shows them that you're serious, capable, and have done your homework. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and share it with fellow entrepreneurs. This will help me grow the channel. As you're aware, I use no paywall, I don't do sponsorships, or even ask you for money. Until the next episode, stay innovative and stay savvy.